Cause y'all got a call coming in? How can I guess it was a... Here come engine 13, medical call of Martinez somewhere. Don't know the address. Engine 13. This is... They're getting it up right now. Station 13.
So why they can't just get the tickets? I don't know. Yeah, who the hell I look like? Shit, the ticket man? I don't know. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit, they can get the ticket. Shit, they can't get one. I mean,
Call coming in. Think.
No, because I'm gonna send them all the tickets. I'm sending everything to your phone. I mean your email. I'm sending everything to your email. Everybody. So they're gonna have to be on your shit. They could have got them. I don't know why shit. Orlando could have got them. But it's cool. I'll get them. It's cool. I don't want to hear shit about no shit wherever I get them at. I don't want to hear shit.
Here it goes. Station 13. Engine. They pulling out.
Well, I'll wait till you send me everybody. I just wait till you sell me the money. Yeah, but
This is a medical call going in.
no, but I'm saying I ain't no wrong.
Oh, they got the turning vests now. I did not know that.
Email, you know, email.
Oh, this is a fire alarm.
Send them all to your email. So everybody got to get in. Man, it don't matter all that. Y'all can point is relationship. That's my point. Y'all can do it. Yeah.
Cal Fire.
You want to keep on like everything.
Here it goes.
That's cool, man. Keep my money. I can keep my money. Keep my money. Give me.
Here we go. Engine 13. Going to alarm. Engine 13. Going to alarm.